Hi, and welcome to IFC Markets instructional video on how to install technical analysis indicators into your NetTradex platform. Now that we know which indicator we're going to be using, we go to Chart, Indicators, and find our list here. This menu can also be accessed by clicking Ctrl-I. From here, we select Accelerator, Decelerator, Oscillator. This is a technical indicator which signals the acceleration or deceleration of the current market driving force. The indicator is fluctuating around a median of 0, which corresponds to a relative balance of the market driving force with the acceleration. So after we select it, we click Set, we'll leave it at 0, and then close. And here we go, right below our chart, you can see that the Accelerator, Decelerator, Oscillator has been implemented. If at any time you decide to remove this indicator, just go back to Chart, select it, and then click Delete, and it's gone. Hi, and welcome to IFC Markets instructional video on how to install technical analysis indicators into your NetTradex platform. The next indicator that we're going to be implementing is called the Alligator indicator. Let's bring it up by pressing Ctrl-I, Alligator, and then clicking Set. And here it appears on our screen. The Alligator indicator was designed to signal a trend absence, formation, and direction. If at any time you feel that the Alligator indicator isn't working for you, you can remove it by pressing Ctrl-I, Alligator, and then Delete. Hi, and welcome to IFC Markets instructional video on how to install technical analysis indicators into your NetTradex platform. Next on our list is the Awesome Oscillator. And this is a momentum indicator reflecting the precise changes in the market driving force, which helps to identify the trend's strength up to the points of formation and reversal. So after we select it, let's click Set, OK, and there it is. In order to remove it, let's do the exact same process. Indicators, bringing it up, and delete. Hi, and welcome to IFC Markets instructional video on how to install technical analysis indicators into your NetTradex platform. Next we have Fractals. Let's access our menu, select Fractals, Set, OK, and there they are. Fractals is an indicator highlighting the chart's local heights and lows where the price movement has stopped and reversed. These reversal points are respectively called highs and lows. If we decide to remove them, all we have to do is go back to our indicator list, select Fractals, and then delete. Hi, and welcome to IFC Markets instructional video on how to install technical analysis indicators into your NetTradex platform. The next indicator we're going to be implementing is the Gator Oscillator, and it's a supplement to the Alligator indicator and is used alongside with it, showing the absolute degree of convergence-divergence of the Alligator's 3 short moving averages, pointing at the Alligator's periods of slumber and awakeness, i.e. the trending and non-trending market phases. So let's implement both of them. Let's access our menu, select Alligator, Set, OK, and there it is. Now we implement our Gator Oscillator by selecting the Gator Oscillator, Set, OK, and then close. And both of them are there. If at any time you want to remove one or the other, click Ctrl-I, Alligator, Delete, Gator Oscillator, Delete. Hi, and welcome to IFC Markets instructional video on how to install technical analysis indicators into your NetTradex platform. The final indicator that we're going to implement is called the Market Facilitation Index, or MFI. It's designed to indicate how much of a willingness to move the price there is in the market. The indicator's absolute values alone cannot provide any trading signals, unlike its dynamics in relation to the dynamics of the volume. So let's access it from our menu, click Set, OK, and there you have it. If at any time you don't feel that the MFI is working for you, just click Ctrl-I, Market Facilitation Index, and then click Delete.